Hello and welcome back to another video from How Logical, where we bring you latest tips and tricks to elevate your digital experience. Today's tutorial is about creating a new Twitter account, so let's begin with this step-by-step tutorial. I hope you have downloaded the Twitter app from Play Store. If you haven't, watch my video on how to download the Twitter app. The Twitter app is now called the X app. Once you have downloaded the app, open the app. Now since today we are going to create an account, tap on create account. The first step is to select the language. If you want language apart from English, then click on show more, scroll down and choose your language. For now this video will be in English, so I'll choose English language. Then go to the next, enter your name, then your email, provide your date of birth, go to the next. Here you can customize your experience by tracking where you see X contents across the web. Check the box if you want more personalized experience and then go to the next. Now this is the final step where you just click on sign up. Twitter will ask you to authenticate your account. Click on authenticate. Just to make sure you're a human and not a robot, there'll be an extra security question. Read the instruction carefully, then submit it. There'll be a second question similar to the first one. Provide your answer and then click on submit. Since you have proven you're not a robot, you can proceed to the next step. Now open your email and get the verification code. Enter it exactly as shown in the email. Tap on next. Now set a strong password. This should be at least 8 characters long. You can pick up a profile picture or skip this step. For now, I'll skip it. Choose a unique username and then hit next. Let's continue to the next step. This is the final step where you have to follow one or more accounts. Choose the accounts that are interesting and follow them. Once you have followed at least one account, you can proceed to the next step by clicking on next. So this is how you can create a Twitter account in 2024. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like our content, then do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.